everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and today I'm going to be using this page map sketch to inspire my layout. I can't tell you when that was actually from because I found it on Pinterest. So I'm scrapping more Christmas photos. I warned you about this, that I was going to be doing a lot of these. These are photos of my grandkids at their Christmas card photo shoot. And so I love that stocking paper and I want to use it, but it's a little busy for the photos to go right on it. So I'm going to use this red paper here, which is Cartabella Christmas Delivery. I'm sorry. Yeah, it is Cartabella Christmas Delivery, and it's the back of the black and cream plaid. Kind of threw me because my last layout was the black and cream plaid. So I'm trying to figure out like kind of what I want to do. And in that sketch, there was a strip across the top of paper. So that's what I'm kind of going to do with the green paper. I'm going to pull that. It almost looks like it's hanging from there. And I was thinking about doing like the other blocks of paper. There were blocks of paper in this one as well, where the bottom was comprised of two other blocks, and I decided not to do that. I love this stocking paper so much, and there's stockings hung on that on the camper in these photos, so I just decided to sort of emphasize that. The paper is busy enough as it is. Okay. So I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do. So I should tell you, the stocking paper is Echo Park A Cozy Christmas, and it's the stockings paper. That green plaid is also the reverse side of the stockings paper, so it's the same paper. And then the background paper here, that kind of aqua color kind of snowflake dot paper is also a Cozy Christmas, and it is the snow globes paper because there are snow globes on the back of it. So I'm using my Memento Dewdrop ink in gray flannel to ink this all up. And again, that kind of looks like it's hanging it. I love this design. Love, love, love it. So I think I will be using this one again. So the title in the sketch is in a circle. So I'm using that wreath to kind of represent it. And I'm not going to need to do any journaling on here. So there's the title cluster and then, embellishments in that cluster. So that's kind of what's going on there. But the wreath represents the circle of the title. Okay, and I'm just having a hard time getting this all kind of stuck down here. So the tag is from the Echo Park Cozy Christmas, the die cut ephemera there. And the chipboard Christmas tree there is from the Echo Park Cozy Christmas chipboard accents. And then the wreath that you see me using, that wreath sticker, is from the element stickers from A Cozy Christmas. Okay, so now I'm kind of getting this all, kind of figured out how that's going to look. I have the main elements of the sketch kind of represented here. And I'm liking the way that arrangement is going. I found that red snowflake, but I wanted something a little smaller and a little bit more subtle. I'd put some pieces along that right border of my mat there. I'll do that sometimes as I'm looking at things that I might want to use. If I happen to see them, I'll pull them out and do that. So instead, I found that snowflake sticker, which is from the element stickers from A Cozy Christmas. Just added a little bit of my foam dots behind, or my foam behind it. And that also gets in the idea of circles with the circle title. Okay, so again, inking the edges of this. Again, I can't tell you how much I love this sketch and how easy it was to work with. Again, you could use 3 different pieces of pattern paper to create the block that the photos are on, or you just use one very busy piece of paper like I did. And I love the challenge of busy papers. How do I make the photos stand out but still use that great busy pattern? All right, so there is a cluster in the top right, and then there's a cluster on the left side as well. So I'm going to use these stockings. I'm going to use a chipboard stocking from the Chipboard Accents, and then a red sticker stocking from the Element stickers for that cluster up there. And then I decided to use that red snowflake, chipboard snowflake, on the left side. This is all from A Cozy Christmas. And then I found that kind of beigey snowflake and decided to use that with the stockings. And I like the way that looks. So I'm looking for something to go with the snowflake on the left side there. And I find these pair of boots, which have absolutely nothing to do with the kids, but it's just a great Christmas accent. So I decided to use that on the top left there. And this is one of my favorite layouts that I've created in a while. And Christmas scrapbooking all year long is a-okay. I know some people will save their Christmas scrapbooking until like July or the following Christmas. I just get mine done. For one thing, I want to give my albums to my grandkids' family for last year as soon as I can and have them complete. So I don't want to wait that long. I think if it was my own Christmas, that would be a little bit different. Okay, so I was just pointing there because I need a ribbon or something from the tag, and lately I've been getting into using not just twine but also ribbon. So this is how I store my ribbon in these Rubbermaid containers, and then I just cut foam core pieces to fit inside, and then I wrap my ribbon around the pieces. You don't get near as many wrinkles in them, and then I just secure them with a pin. So I just grabbed a piece of miscellaneous black polka dot ribbon. I don't have any of these labeled at all, so I can't tell you where they're from. But I have 2 of those to hold all my ribbon. And I know a lot of people have destashed their ribbon, but I still do use it occasionally, and I use it for craft projects and that kind of stuff. So I just did a craft project with my grandkids and used it. So I'm just going to thread this through. I just like it's another texture on here, and it's thicker than the twine, so I think it's a little bit more decorative. Obviously, it's more decorative. There's a pattern to it. Well, I guess twine has a pattern too if it's like a color in white, but this has more of a pattern. All right, there's the sketch again, and then it's followed by the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back again soon. Bye, everybody.